over?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's this car coming down the street. There's a car, and then there was a possum trying to cross the street like this.
She looks like a possum.
That's awesome. Okay, so the possum's trying to move first.
That's awesome.
And he
It's a
sees
possum.
the car, and he's like, oh my god, a car. And the car's like, oh my god, a possum. And the possum, he's like, I'm gonna die. And the car's like, I'm gonna run over you. And the possum doesn't know what he's supposed to do, so he dies. Like this, and he twitches, and he dies. And he almost dies. But the car comes, and he stops, and he goes, possum. And then the little boy jumps out of the car, and he pokes the possum with a stick. Like this. Like that. And then the possum moves, but he's like pretend to die, he's not dead yet. Until the car from over here, comes over.
Hey, we got this
And
out.
runs over the possum in the other car. And they both die.